Put my Ultimate battery back in. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. What it ain't too. This your boy Jay. You know, rocking with all work, no play, man. Coming back in with another video for y'all. Y'all see the green machine back here? Pretty sure y'all can probably hear it too, man. Like I said, I had tuned that amp. She sounded pretty good when I did. That bitch cranking. That bitch cranking. Oh, the beat gonna cut off soon. I didn't turn the trunk on. Try to start back in a minute though. Y'all see damn trunk peasing up right there a little bit. Like I said, man, that bitch cranking for real, boy. Yes, sir. But hey, come back in with another video, man. I meant to show y'all that when I first got it, and when I put it in, actually the first day I got it, the first night that I got it. Got a new alternator, that 94 amp. It's actually holding up pretty well. But I did hear from one of my guys. He told me I was gonna get another battery. He was gonna hook it up for me so I could have one for my trunk. So that way I can have two. That way everything won't be running off of one battery. So hold on, let me show y'all this real quick. Hold on, y'all. Let me show y'all real quick. Yeah, might have switched it up. Like an angle switch up. So I did get that 94 amp though. Put my Ultimate battery back in. You know what I'm saying? Yes, she is. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, it's keeping pretty well though. Hold on. Yes, sir. Like I said, that 94 amp, man, y'all can see. Fresh, brand new out the box. Yes, sir. And like I said, she is holding up pretty well. Look at clean that carburetor. Well, the air filter. I cleaned it too. We had to clean the filter. Got it wiped down, the pan, wiped it down, got it back chrome good. So yeah, like I said, she holding up pretty well, man. So I'm satisfied. Shit, like I said, I heard from, if y'all didn't hear me, the guy that first put my lights in, my boy Rick. So he said he was gonna find me a battery. Well, I'm gonna find it first, and he just gonna install it for me. So that way everything will be running off of one battery. And that way I can keep a better charge and probably can get a little bit more kick out of this thing as well. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure for the ones that's been following my journey for a while, y'all already know what she's looking like. But shit, like I said, man, ever since I tuned it somewhat how I want it to be tuned. Like I said, that bitch cranking up. That bitch hard as hell. I could probably do a little bit more to it, man. I could probably tweak a little bit more, but I ain't gonna mess with it. I'm just gonna leave it like it is. Leave it like it is to my satisfaction. So this year, like I said, 212 Boss kicker, 1600 watts a piece on a 4000 watt amp. So yeah, and like I said, she cranking. She cranking. Like I said, man, the box said it's coming out, baby. It's coming out. It's coming out. Y'all better get you one. Y'all better get you one, and y'all better get on that. You did. But yeah, man, hope everybody had a blessed day. Hope everybody continue to have a blessed day and a blessed night throughout. You dig what I'm saying? I also got to get my batteries for my door lights as well. Go ahead and put the battery back in them too. If y'all ain't seen them, y'all know they show the eagle head logo on the ground whenever it do light up. So I got to put my magnets back in and put my batteries back in. So yeah, man, everything coming together. Everything coming together. I know my pops said hollered at me. I think he told me the next thing I should probably work on is the suspension. So that's what I might do. If it ain't the suspension, man, it's gonna be the AC line. So I go ahead and put my AC in for the summer or whatever. So yeah. And like I said, man, I gotta get back on my grind, bro, man. That first shift shit been kicking my ass, boy. That shit been Bruce Lee, boy. I'm talking about land karate chopping me, boy. Wah! Karate chopping me, for real. It's been getting to me. It's been getting to me, but all the way in well, man, you know what I'm saying? They put up in the admin top too. But yeah, though, things coming together, man. Y'all see shit. Like I said, though, that first shipment there kicking my ass, boy. Bruce Lee me, karate chopping me, boy. It's been getting to me. But I've been managing, though, man. Everything going pretty well with my job as well, so Like I said, we working, family. We working. YouTube channel, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? Hit the notification bell so you keep up with the journey of the build. And we're just gonna continue on with that, man. I don't know what the next series gonna be, but y'all just rock out though. Y'all already know how we do in a minute. Yes, sir, gang. Back out here, back at it again. I got the camera and got my phone in a little phone holder this time. I want to see that. I want to see this big boy right here get loaded. So we back out here, the same play. Big pile of rocks everywhere. I can't turn the phone around too much. I don't know how far it go. I want to see this big thing right here get loaded though. Y'all get down in the comment section, man. Let me know how y'all like these videos, though. You know what I'm saying? Especially dealing with the job and showing how everything go or whatnot. So I'm still alive right now, so yes, sir. Just my second load of the day is what, 9:54. So. There's another dump truck in front of him. Got another dump truck back here behind me. Yeah, he weighed some rocket shit. That's the same load we had, you know. That's a different guy right there. It's probably about probably a bit longer than 42. They're probably like a 50. I want to say, I don't know if they got 50-foot trailers or not. It may be a 52. It might be a 53 though. It might kind of look short, high in shape, but it's a pretty good sized trailer though. Take the 2 scoops to fill us up, so I know damn well it's gonna probably take at least maybe what, 4 or 5 maybe. Probably fill him up. Let's see what we got. Let's see. That shit wild though, man, to see this stuff like firsthand, how they be doing this stuff. You can feel it, man. You can feel that shit when it's dropping in your bed too. That shit rock the whole damn truck. Went from the front to the back of it, I guess, you know, just to level it off. fill the bucket up. It must don't take about 2.5 loads. Okay, 2.5 loads. Damn, that's all? Don't even really that much. Okay, get my shit real quick. Y'all see that? I told you, you feel it, man. That shit rocked the whole truck. Like I said, it don't take 2 big scoops to fill us up, so. It's pretty sweet, man, but like I said, I just got to get used to getting up early in the morning. That's my only thing right now. Yeah, that's it, man. We got 3 of them coming in back to back. Well, man, he's scared to get away. Camera might get shaky a little bit, y'all. Y'all just bear with me. Gotta pull up on the scale and shit. My GPS might say something too, but I still got it logged on, so y'all hear a woman talking, there ain't nothing but GPS talking, and the woman will come in on the radio in a few minutes.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, pull up.
See what I'm saying? This shit loud as hell. Must have missed that truck right there. He had to turn around and come back in.
There it is, truck 5-2 with crush and run.
Load up on the scale, go to the scale high, get the ticket, write everything down, and everything will be straight after that.
What's your cut number?
557, got 789 going next door.
Okay, you pull off.
789 going to Monroe.
That was 849, 789 to Monroe.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can pull up.
I appreciate it.
240 weeks away.
See what I'm saying? That little truck number with you hauling when you going. Everything for everything.
J&S 54, crush and run.
A lot of guys pretty much haul the same thing, but a couple of them different. Already. We'll hit the road, On the road again. So I usually have pull out to the side, man. I ain't gonna get all the way in line, I ain't be able to get out. I still gotta get my ticket. So how many times you will? So I'm 20.74. So yeah. Go ahead and sign the ticket out, y'all. Like I said, I just want to get y'all a little bit more. You feel what I'm saying? Ain't gonna be some more footage on it, but you know, hey, all went in where you did. We'll catch y'all. I just thought I had this pilot, man. This motherfucker is huge. A lot of damn trucks out here. Get y'all just a little bit of footage going out right quick. Hold on, y'all. Oh, I know the camera probably trying to sideways on y'all. My bad for that. This shit literally like this stuff I'll be seeing on YouTube, man. Like, there's so many trucks out here, bro. That shit is crazy. This truck galore out here, man. That shit crazy. That shit look like that shit I be seeing on YouTube. Oh, big fella, big boy backing up in. Yeah, get up in there then. It's crazy here, man. I know how to do all that shit. Man, I had to get y'all that though, man. That's just crazy. When I get back on the road though, man, I ain't want the camera to be shaking on y'all, so I'll catch y'all probably when I get off. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the kid is at the crib, man. And boy, y'all can see by the lighting outside, man, it's almost just dark. Man, I got home. I tried to run from it, but I tried to run from it, man, but hey, damn sleep man, the sand man caught up with me, man. That boy came and sprinkled the sand in my face. He caught me. I couldn't run from it no more. Shit, man, that guy in there got comfortable, bro. And y'all know how it is, man, when you don't work or whatever like that, especially early in the morning. I be getting up anyway. And we talking between from 4 to 6. From 4 to 6 in the morning. Depends on what job and what city or town we got to go to. We got different time zones. Like, so the shift that I work, I don't go in on the same timing every morning. So it'd be early, like early, or maybe like 6 or something. I think the latest I got up is maybe 6 o'clock. So that is give you pretty much a little result on like how early I really do be getting up. But yeah, but yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the little video, man. You know, and forgive me for that crack that was in the window. I had watched like a little clip of that video that I did earlier, and I didn't know the phone was directly in front of that thing in that windshield. So y'all forgive me for that. I hope y'all can see pretty much outrun it or whatever like that. But now I did get back here and we're gonna attempt to install my remote. Go ahead and check that oil and stuff too. That oil in that transmission fluid 1 minute. But yeah, install the remote to my to the amp. Well, not a remote, but the bass knob. You know, a lot of amps come with that bass knob. You can tune in like a little bit more extra bass to it. So that was my attempt. So I still might end up doing it though. You know what I'm saying? But I got to turn to be on the safe side. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my amp all the way down, so I won't blow nothing. You know what I'm saying? So shit, it's already unraveled and everything. So yeah, man, y'all can see pretty much like I said, it came with the bass knob or whatever like that. So yes, sir. Make sure it's turned all the way down too. Yeah, just like the phone cord on the end. But yeah, though. So I might go ahead and just do that with what little bit of light I got left out here, man. So I can, you know what I'm saying, I can record it, but you know what I'm saying, y'all already pretty much seen the coverage and the whole system of the car, so I'm just leave that out, just go ahead and handle that, you know what I'm saying, one-on-one. So with that being said, I hope y'all enjoy the video, man. Continue to follow the journey, continue to watch the build, continue to stay blessed, you know what I'm saying, work hard, and stay tuned as well, because like I said early on, a few videos, it's been a while, man. I know it's been a good little minute before I even got any footage about it or anything that's on it. Y'all stay tuned with my house build as well, because I'm trying to go ahead and knock that on out and go ahead and get that finished this year. So y'all stay tuned for that. I got to go down there and cut the grass this weekend too while I'm off. Y'all just stay tuned with the journey, man. You know what I'm saying? Get it out. You know, like, get as many people you can. Go ahead and subscribe to it. Like I said, we on that road to 400 still. Then it's going to be 5, then it's going to be 6. Like I said, I'm trying to, if anything, my goal this year is to try to reach that 1,000 subs. I don't know how much work I'm going to have to really put in or what all really going to be done to get there, but I'm going to try to get there. If I don't get up to 1,000, I am going to get to 600 or 700 this year. Leave that. So, with that being said, man, hey, y'all already know how we rocking. Hope everybody had a blessed day. Hope everybody had a blessed day, a blessed night throughout. Dig what I'm saying? Oh yeah, stay tuned for paint too. I'm gonna keep it on the husk with that one though. But hey, without further ado, it's your boy Jay. You rocked out with All Work No Play. You did. Salute.